What's up, boys? So I just spent the last 45 minutes talking to Amex and my business in a conference call because I need them to review my finances to see if I'm able to spend a fucking check on my Amex because I haven't gone through a financial review since my 2 years being with them. So I guess that's cool. I guess it shows them that I'm spending fucking money, I'm paying it off, and they need them to up the fucking budget. Your boy's trying to run ads. So that's a little things that you're gonna have to go through once you start spending money on Amex, because they want to see that you're a responsible business owner, that you're able to handle the spend that you're trying to spend. And to be honest, this is the first time that I've actually started spending this amount of money and this large amount of money so quickly. So I get why they're like, hey, chill out, bro. Let's see if you got the pockets for it. So that's what that call was about. And hopefully it's done by the end of the day. It's been 5 days since I've been able to run ads. Shout out to my partner. He's been running the ads for me. So shout out to bro. But as of right now, I'm just focusing on getting my Amex back and running just so I can start spending more and just so I can start actually making deeper purchases as far as my Amex is concerned. But one thing I've also realized while being on this call and being on this financial review is that you only make the purchases that you think you're able to fulfill on, right? So for example, you go to Chipotle and you buy a $15 Chipotle burrito or bowl, whatever the fuck. You don't think about it because you know you could make that $15 back. It's really just your conviction and your ability to make that money back, right? So I was thinking about this, damn, bro, I really want to get a certain car, but the thing that's holding me back is nothing really. It's just me not actually going out there and buying the fucking car. And then I had this thought, it's oh, it's just my conviction in being able to make the money that I'm spending on the car, right? There's a reason why, like I said earlier, you spend $15 on a Chipotle burrito bowl. Is because you know you're able to make that $15 back. And it really just comes back down to your confidence in yourself to get what the fuck you want. So if there's a purchase in your life that you're thinking about making right now, obviously know that you have the funds to do it. Don't be a dumbass and take out a fucking $100,000 loan on a whip that you know you're gonna have a fucking 25% APR on. Don't do that. Don't be stupid. What I'm saying is, have a little more conviction in the purchases that you're making. I just bought some crypto coins, which I'm not too well versed in crypto, but people smarter than me are in crypto. By smarter than me, I mean smarter than me in the sense of what's going on in the crypto markets. I'm an outsider looking in. I see dudes printing. I'm like, all right, I could throw a band at Doge. I could throw a fucking couple thousand on Pepe. You know what I mean? Just understanding the collective conscience of where crypto's at and just being egoless and just all right, I trust these people that they know more about a certain topic than me. And at the end of the day, I'm willing to lose that $1,000. I'm willing to lose that $2,000. It's not that big of a financial burden on me to lose that, or if any, to be honest. But just being able to have conviction in your purchases and what you're buying, because at the end of the day, it really just comes down to your stress level and how much stress you're willing to take on. Because some people might not be able to stomach the balance that's on my fucking Amex right now. I mean, a year ago, I was tripping on $12,000 on my Amex. I was scratching my head damn, I gotta pay this bitch off. And now it's $12,000. That's the balance on my Amex right now is almost 7 times that. And it's damn, you become kind of numb to the numbers at a certain point. I haven't even made the numbers that I want to hit yet, but as of right now, it doesn't seem real. The money doesn't seem real. I know you hear that online all the time from these fucking people trying to sell you something, but it legitimately doesn't feel real. I'm at my fucking desk. I'm I'm sitting in a chair, and I'm just making money from the internet. I don't have to do hard work, hard labor, and I'm able to make thousands of dollars a month on my laptop. I'm blessed. I'm fucking blessed. And if you're watching this and you're in the pursuit of the same thing, you're fucking blessed, bro. Even if you're not hitting the numbers you want to hit yet, the fact that you're able to just do this, that you live in a time where you're able to do this, you're blessed. So don't take that for fucking granted. I just wanted to share this with y'all. It's Q4. Lock in. What else you gonna do, dog? Go party? Broke? Nah, not us. Peace out.